Hostile, a definition. Bitter, windrush citizen, here until your skin is no longer needed. Cold, migrants sleeping rough will be deported. Militant, charter flights, expulsion as a brutal secret in handcuffs. Unwilling, women charged for giving birth, after the trafficking, after the rape. Malicious, Yarl's Wood is locking away too many hearts, will not let them heal. Warlike, landlords, doctors, teachers, constricted for border control. Argumentative, hard Brexit, soft Brexit, Brexit means Brexit. Standoffish, do not fall in love with the wrong passport. Resentful, black and brown, forced to prove their right to free healthcare. Unwelcoming, the number of refugees dying to reach you. Afraid, afraid, afraid.